Hello, my name is Kruno Kukoc from the Australian Department of Immigration and Citizenship. As part of our program to attract the best and brightest migrants, the department regularly hosts skilled migration information events around the world. This video will give you an overview of the sort of information usually provided to skilled workers at these events. The department can't give advice on which visa is best for you, but we can provide information on visa options and point you in the right direction to find information to help you choose the right visa. It is important to understand that if you decide to apply for a visa, it's your responsibility to make sure you meet the minimum requirements before submitting your application. Australia's skilled migration program aims to meet the needs of the Australian labour market and thereby strengthen our economy. Australia needs skilled workers in particular occupations to help fill job vacancies which cannot be filled by an Australian resident worker. This could be due to the specialised nature of the position or the location of the work. The skilled migration program has two broad components: employer-sponsored visas and points-tested visas. Employer-sponsored visas require you to find an employer in Australia who needs your skills and is willing to sponsor you to come here to work. This means you have a job waiting for you when you arrive in Australia. With points-tested visas, you have to demonstrate that you can contribute positively to the Australian economy. You have to pass a points test, a skills assessment, and meet other basic eligibility requirements such as English language proficiency. When you research your visa options, it is worth remembering that there are specific arrangements to support regional skilled migration so these areas can get the skilled workers they need to prosper. There are minimum requirements you must meet to be eligible to apply for a skilled visa. You must work in a specified occupation and your skills must be recognised in Australia. You also need to have a high level of English language ability and meet the age, health and character requirements. Depending on the visa, you may have to be sponsored by an Australian employer, family member living in Australia, or a state or territory government sponsor as part of your application. The requirements for skilled migration are dynamic and respond to Australia's economic situation, so it is important to do your own research into the right visa option before you apply. The success of your application will depend on whether you meet the requirements for the visa that exist at the time you make the application. Success will be strongly influenced by your ability to demonstrate you have the skills and experience to meet Australia's needs. Information on all skilled visa options for Australia can be found by contacting your nearest immigration office or by going to our website. Use the Visa Wizard to find the visa best suited to your circumstances. The skilled migration booklets on our website also provide detailed information. We encourage you to use these resources and others on the department's website or contact the department if you have further questions about skilled migration.